हाय संदीप, हाय जैकेट। संदीप। Actually, we expected 10 members today, but everyone is saying 1st March. So I asked her to call
March,
you. Sorry?
1st March.
I mean, next weekend, Saturday. Saturday is when? Not
Okay, so yesterday we had demo, right, ma'am?
Yeah, we had demo, but
Yeah, yeah.
offline students also came. I'll take 1 hour class. I
Today?
want to send you now. Yeah. I'll take 1 hour class and then we'll stop for this week. Okay.
Okay, okay.
We'll continue on coming Saturday so that other people also will join. Okay.
Okay, sure, sure.
I'm waiting
Sure.
for you all.
Okay, some more people should come, ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, we need to get 10 people today, but they went
Okay.
to that area.
Whom?
Priya.
Okay, okay.
Priya. Yeah. So they'll
Okay.
be available on 1st, it seems. So we'll see if they
Okay, sure,
join or
sure.
not. But from 1st onwards, we'll continue. Okay. But
Okay,
today
ma'am.
I'll take for 1 hour. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Same link, na, ma'am?
Sorry.
Same link, no? Link is the same one, no?
Link I'm not sure.
No,
Yesterday
no.
one.
The one on which we are talking, on this one only you'll be taking 1 hour class, no?
Yes. This one only.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure.
Just continue in this.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Yesterday already we discussed about training and about Excel, these options and version differences. And let's see Excel UI. Okay. Here, these are called tabs. Home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas. These are called tabs. In each tab, again, you will have groups. In home tab, you have clipboard group. All clipboard is nothing but cut, copy, paste. There's some relevant options you will have in clipboard group. Font group, you will have font related options. Alignment related options you will have in alignment. Just like a folders and subfolders. Some relevant options you will have in the groups. In the groups, you will have options. Okay. These are tabs. These are groups. Clipboard, font, alignment, these are groups. Suppose if you are asking where we have flash fill option, I'll tell you data tab. Okay. And then data tools group. This is the group name. And then here you have flash fill. That is the flow when you are checking it. Okay. Next, this is the title bar. The name of the file you can see here, title bar. And this is called quick access toolbar. I'll tell you what is quick access toolbar. This is quick access toolbar. And ribbon, you know, right? When you click on something, you can see that options here itself. That is ribbon.
Yeah.
And groups, clipboard font, these are called groups. And here you can see, this is name box. In name box, what you can see? Address of the cell.
Cell reference.
Cell address. And this is formula bar. Whether it is a formula or value, you can see in the formula bar. Okay. And these are called column labels and these are row labels. So column or row labels, A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. These are column and row labels. And these are called sheets. And the status bar, whether it is, this is status bar and zoom options. So you can use this plus button or minus button to increase or zoom. Yeah, if you click on this, you can enter your zoom percentage. Okay. So this is what the UI. Okay. Coming to quick access toolbar. If suppose some option I'm using frequently, maybe some applying borders. Okay, I want to apply borders. Where you have, which borders? All borders. Where you have to go borders option and we will select this all borders. But instead of that, all borders option, I want to keep it here directly. Okay. How to add, this is called a quick access toolbar. Okay. Go to file, options, click on quick access toolbar. And here popular commands, here I'll change to home tab because my required option is available in the home tab. And here you have align top, bottom, left, middle, right, all these options. And select all borders option, say add. Now you have save, undo, redo, turn, auto save on or off option. Okay, only 4 available. Now we added all borders also. Say okay. Now you will see borders option here itself. Okay, this is quick access toolbar. If you want to remove it, again go to file, options, quick access toolbar, select that, remove, say okay. Okay, there is no borders option. Clear? That is customize QAT, quick access toolbar. Customize means if you want to add or delete. Next one. These are the shortcut keys. And data types. What are the data types available in Excel? You have number data type, text data type, date, time, okay, errors, logical values. If you enter any text, by default, it will align to left side. Okay, enter any number, that will align to right side. Number will align to right side. Date and time, both will align to right side. Date also one of the number only. Time also one of the number. So it will align to right side. Okay, and logical values will align to center. True or false. Errors also will align to center. This is the default alignment. When you enter something, suppose you are entering some number, it is taking like number. But suppose I'm converting this cell into text format. Now you enter number. Even though you are entering number, default it is aligning to left side. That means it is not stored in number format. So based on the default alignment, you can understand whether it is stored in number format or text format. Okay? Okay. So in detail, when you are going with the each number formatting, you will come to know like how it is working. Okay? Now, here, what is the value of this? What is this? What is this number?
That is number 3.
It is number 3. It
yeah,
is
number
3,
3.
right?
Yeah.
I am multiplying this with 2. What should be the value?
6.
6. But why it is giving me 5? Because it's not 3. It is 2.5.
Yeah, because it's not a number. It is
It is number only, but we are rounding it. Even though you are rounding it, it will take the actual value of the cell. It will not take the visible value for calculation. You're getting it? I have 9.9. Okay. I'm converting this into 9. Suppose 18. Okay, I have 9.18. What is the actual value of it? 9.18. But if you are visibility wise, it is showing like 9.2 because it is rounding. If you want to see the actual value, how to remove that rounding options. But when it comes to calculations, if I say equal to 2 into 9.18, it will give you 18.36 only. Correct value only it will give. So what you need to understand now, when it comes to calculation, it will give you actual output. It will take the actual value, not the visible value. That visible value just for the user purpose. Okay, only that will change. I mean, visibility wise will change, not the actual value. In calculations, it will take only actual value, not the visible value. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming to this one, you have 10, 20, 30. we are doing sum of these numbers, sum of 10, 20, 30. So they are aligned to right side. Means they should be numbers only. But why it is not giving sum of 10, 20, 30, output should be 60, right? But why it is giving 0? Maybe they are not enter number now.
They are not a number format.
They are not stored in number format. They are stored in text format. Okay. Sometimes this is the one of the problem. When you are downloading data from some applications, maybe it's looking like a number, but the data type of the value may be text data type. So what you have to do again, you have to convert them into numbers, then go for the calculations. Okay. Next one. So now you are getting sum of 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now, which values are, you need to understand about the numbers. All numbers are not numbers. Okay. All numbers are not eligible for calculations. If you take an example like employee ID is 21055 I have. Is it a number? Will you do sum of employee IDs, average of employee IDs like that? No.
No.
So that is not a valid number. That is not eligible for calculation. It's like a ID, right? Mobile number, is it valid for calculation? No, not a number. Bank balance. Bank balance. You will add the number. You will add some 10,000 I want to add to bank balance. I want to deduct credit to the bank balance or debit from the bank balance, right? So that is eligible for calculation? Yes. And marks in exam? Yes, it is a number. Bike or card, is it car last 4 digits? This is also like a ID. This is also not a number. Are you getting it? Some are not eligible for calculation. Will you add some number to the bike number? We don't do. Will you add any number to the mobile number? Or will you deduct from the number? Or will you add multiple mobile numbers? No, right? So we don't do any calculations with them. So whatever number is eligible for calculation, that is a valid number. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And these are the data types, and this is the default alignment of the data type. Now tell me, is it a date or not? 1/8/2020.
Yeah, it's a date.
It's a date. Is it a date?
No.
No. Why?
That is text.
That is text. It is aligned to left side. Why? Because we added some A, B here, right? So by default, it is aligned to, it is taking left alignment and it is not stored in date format. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go to next. Number format. Okay. So, number you can see in different ways. Number you can see in number format, date format, time format, percentage format. Okay. So all that. So how this one you can see in different format, that is our concept now. In general format, 1 is equal to 1 only. 1 is 1 only. Okay. In number format, 1 is equal to 1.0. Okay. In currency format, 1 is equal to $1.0. Means you will get with a dollar symbols by default. And in accounting format, again 1 is equal to 1 with dollar, but there is a space between the dollar and the number. Okay. And in date format, 1 is equal to 1/1900. Yesterday I told you what is 1. According to Excel, dates will start from 1/1900. Okay. So that's why 1 is equal to 1/1900. Okay. And in long date format, 1 is equal to, again, 1/1900 only, but in this format, 1st January 1900. Okay. In time format, 1 is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours means what? Morning 12 o'clock to till night 12 o'clock. 0.5 is equal to 12 hours completed. Means 12 hours completed means what time? Afternoon 12 o'clock. 0.25 is 6 hours completed. Morning 6 o'clock. 0.75. Evening 6 o'clock. So like that it will take. So 1 is equal to like night to 12 o'clock. Exact night 12 o'clock you will get all zeros. Okay. Change the time. Okay. Coming to percentage format, 1 is equal to 100%. 100% in percentage format. Text format, 1 is equal to 1, but it is not eligible for calculations and it will align to left side. Yes. Now this will not consider like a number, it will take like a text. Okay. Fraction format, 1 is equal to 1 only, but if you take 0.5, then it will give you 1 by 2. 0.25, 1 by 4. Fraction, you know, right? And scientific format. In scientific format, okay, I'm taking 1000. 1000 is nothing but 10 power 3, right? So the 10 power 3 in scientific format, it will give you like this. 10 power 3. Sorry. 10 power 3. 1 into E plus 03. E plus 03 is nothing but it's like a 1.0 into 10 power 3. If you take 100, 1.0 E plus 02. E plus 02 is nothing but like a 10 power 2. Okay? Okay. I'll take with a different example. Now tell me 1 is equal to 1. Okay, by the way, here by default it is giving me after point only 2 decimal number. What if you want to see, suppose 3 decimal number by default? Or instead of dollar, I want to see a different currency symbol. How to change all that? Why it is giving me only 1 decimal? That is in the system settings. If you want to change that, you have to go to control panel, change date, time or number formatting settings. Click on additional settings. Here, number, digit, okay. Decimals, decimal symbol is dot, okay. Number of digits after decimal, let me give 3 suppose, okay. And digit grouping, comma separator. We'll go to currency. Default dollar, suppose I want to see euro symbol, okay. Number of digits 3. Time I'm not changing. See, time, date, everything you can change. Default week starting from Sunday here in the calendar. Suppose I'm changing to Monday. My date format is DDMMYY format. Suppose I want to see a different date format. You can change it here. Not changing anything. Apply, okay. Apply, okay. Close it. Now, if you see in the number form, okay. Now you can see instead of 1 decimal, now it is showing 3 decimals, right? Instead of dollar symbol, now it is showing currency symbol. Yeah. So this is how you can change the default settings. In percentage format also previously it is showing 100.0 percentage. Now it is showing 100.3 decimals. Right? That settings you can change in the control panel. Okay. Now we'll see this. 5. What is the output if I change to number formatting? 5 point
Number
triple zero.
formatting.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Hello, Sandeep. You're
Yeah,
asking.
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Because you changed it in the control panel, it is permanent. But actually,
Yeah,
we can add from Excel also the 3 zeros. But then every time we have to keep it adding separately. So instead of that, you did it permanent from.
correct. Default, what you want to get. That again,
Yeah.
you can change using number formatting option.
Yes.
Okay. Now, in currency format, what is 4 now? Huh?
In currency format.
Yeah. 4.000 with euro. Accounting format, what is 6? 6.000 with that euro symbol, but there is a space between. Some today's date 45,720. I applied some today formula. So what is the output now? 23 to 2025. Short date 23 to 2020. In long date format 23 February 2025. 0.25 in time format. Tell me. Is simple. 24 hours equal to 1. 0.25 means how much time done out of 24? 6 hours.
6 a.m.
6 hours means what? What is the time?
6 a.m.
Morning 6 o'clock. Okay. 0.5. How much time done? 12 hours. Means what is the time? Afternoon 12 o'clock. 0.75. How much? 6 p.m. That is how it will take 24 hours. Okay. 0.25 is equal to 6 o'clock. Okay. Next. 0.5 in percentage format. 1 is equal to 100 percentage. 0.5 is equal to 1 is equal to 100. 50 percentage. Why are you
50.
thinking so much?
50%.
50 percentage. Okay. In text format, anything you change to text, then it will align to left side. Okay. And
Yeah.
fraction format, what is 0.5?
Fraction format.
You all people should 50 percentage. Okay. Fraction format, what is 0.5? You have to go to school,
One
I guess.
half, ma'am. 1/2.
1/2. 1/2. Okay, it will give you 1/2. Okay. 2340 I have in scientific format. How many zeros we have in this?
1 0
2300.
1 0 1 0.
No. It's a 1000 value, right? 3
Uh,
zeros. We can write this
okay.
like 2.34 into 10 power 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
The 10 power 3
Yes.
is nothing but when you are converting into scientific, it will give you 2.34 E plus 0. Why it is
Yeah.
giving 0 also? Because after decimal, we asked to give 3 decimal number. So 340. Okay. Decimals
Yeah.
we change it to 3, right? Here also it will give you after 0.3 decimal number. Clear?
Yeah.
And for these options, already we have shortcut keys. Just use this shortcut keys. Suppose you have a date. That date I want to see it in a different format. Control shift hash. No need to go to that option. Just some days maybe you will take more time to remember the shortcut key. Just instead of going to this option, try to apply the shortcut key so that it will be easy for you to do the work. Okay. See, just control shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just try to apply anything. After some days, you will remember everything. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, what is this control plus shift plus 2? Control plus shift
You
plus
can
5.
shift. Control Shift 1 and exclamation mark both will be on the same key in the keyboard. Control
right.
Shift 4 and dollar, 3 and hash, 2 and @ all will be at the same place. Just for you, just to remember this.
Okay.
Okay. It is even easy. Control Shift percentage, we'll use it for percentage. Okay. Hash for date. No, both will be on the same key. You press anything that will give you this. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Dollar symbol, dollar means where we will use for currency purpose. So it is easy for you to remember also. Okay. Any questions in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now my requirement is why it is giving by default 3 decimal if I'm changing to number format. What if I want to see 2 decimal number? I mean, I don't want to do the permanent change in the control panel. Here I want to change. So how
We can
to do
use
the
from the
change?
ribbon.
Sorry?
There's an option to increase or decrease the decimal points in the ribbon.
Correct. Apart from, not only for decimal, suppose I want to go for currency symbol. Currency is now you have euro symbol. What if you want to see rupee symbol? Okay, how to change that? Default value. Right?
Yeah.
Suppose my date is showing me DDMMYY format. What if I want to see just month and year? Okay, triple M dash YY. How to change the settings? Default settings. How to change it? That we'll see now. Okay, one by one. First one is number related options. Okay. In number, you have some places 3 decimals, 5 decimals, 5 decimals, 6 decimals like that, right? So select this, go to right click and you can go to format cells option. It will open that format cells dialog box. Shortcut key is Control 1 to open format cells window. Control 1 is the shortcut key. Okay. Now select this Control 1. Which settings you want to change? Number related options, right? Click on number. And what is the requirement here? Convert to 2 decimal. So here decimals are how many? 3. Change to 2. Say okay. So everything it will show you in 2 decimal format. Okay. Next one. Control 1. Number. Now the next requirement is what? Negative number in red color with minus symbol. See, regarding negative numbers, we have some options here. Negative number, I want to show it in red color without negative symbol. Just normal number. And this one is negative number in red color. And you can see negative symbol also. Correct? Select this option. Say okay. Now you can see negative numbers in red colors. And you can see that minus symbol also. Third one, negative in red color without negative symbol. So now, which option we have to choose regarding negative numbers? Second one. Here there is no negative. All this belongs to negative numbers only. I don't want to see that negative numbers in red color. I mean, with the symbols. But if you keep your cursor here, you can see the actual value. Okay. Last one. Comma style. You know, after 3 digits, we'll keep a comma. That style you want to add. Number, you have a use 1000 separator option. Select this, say okay. You will get comma separates. Okay, clear this? Next one. Currency related options. Let's go here. Click on currency. Number of decimals convert to 2. Okay. Euro it is giving me. Negative in which one? Negative in color. Okay, red color.
Negative in red color with minus symbol.
Minus symbol. And here without symbol. Okay. And the last one, change currency symbol. You can see euro symbol, right? Currency where you can change? Here. Okay, click on this. You can see all the country currency symbols here. Also, Japanese symbol. Okay, in dollars also, all the country dollar symbols. Somewhere you will have rupee symbol. See, rupee Hindi, English India. Yeah, select that, say okay. You will see that rupee symbol. You want to see again that rupee symbol with the red color. You can apply multiple options here. Okay. Next, accounting options. Control 1, accounting. What you can change? One is number of decimals and the symbol. Okay, change the number of decimals to 2 and change currency symbol to maybe suppose where you have Japanese symbol. Okay. Do you have anything related to negative symbol here in accounting? Why? Because did you remember in our account statements, bank account statements, you will have debit column and credit column. Okay. Debit means that will deduct from our account and credit means that will add to our account. So because it is a credit, because it is a debit, will you have -1000, -2000 like that? No. There is no negative symbol there. So just you will have the values without any symbol. If it is in debit column, obviously it will deduct from our account. If it is in credit column, it will add to our account. There is no negative symbol. So in accounting, there is no minus. Okay. That's why no options related to minus. Next one. Date related options. Control semicolon is the shortcut key to get system current date. It will give you want to see system current date, then control semicolon. Okay. So this I want to change to long date format. Go to date related options. Here, which is the long date? This one. Right? We can move down. Yeah, both are same. Say okay. I want to see date in d.m.yy format. See in the list where you have dot. This one. Why and 14 is D? Because in months you won't have 14, right? This is obviously D. d.m.yy. Say okay. Okay. dd. This is again the same example. One second. Long date, in long date, even I'm giving D also. Okay. How to apply the long date format? This one is the long date. You can change, but it is giving me now only DD, month, full name and year, but I changed the long date default format. Now here they are asking to give DD space 4 M's. 4 M's means 1 M. Suppose February month, 1 M will give you 2. Double M will give you 0, 2. Triple M will give you February first 3 characters. 4 M's will give you February, complete month name. Okay. Now DD and complete month name and year where you have this one. Say okay, it will convert into that format. Last one. First year, then month and then day. Not any. First year dash dash YY. The last one. Say okay. Okay. Even you have other country related date formats also. Everyone may not use the same formatting, right? So this is one of the certification question. They'll ask you to, they'll give you some country name. In that, they'll ask you to convert the date to this particular format. So you have to change two options now. What are that? First one, you need to change the locale. Locale, they'll give you location. So you need to change the location so that suppose I'll take something I changed. I changed it to Spanish. So in Spanish, they'll give you this value. Change the date format to this format. So you have to select that here, say okay, so that automatically that will change. One of the certification exam question. Okay. Okay. Next one. Time related settings. To get system current time, Control Shift semicolon is the shortcut key. 10:21. Okay. And here hour, minute, second, 3 I have. Just I want to see hours and minutes. Where you have only hours and minutes. No. There is no only hour and minute, right? United States. Okay. Yeah. Hours is US format. Yeah. This one is hours and minutes. Correct? Say okay. Hours, minutes, seconds, AM or PM. If you keep AM or PM, that means it is 12 hours format. If you don't keep AM or PM, it will show you in 24 hours format. Okay. Now it is showing in which format? Hours, minutes, 24 hours, 12 hours. 24 hours. AM or PM means AM is first 12 hours. PM is second 12 hours. There is no, suppose if it is at 2 o'clock, 2 PM, it will give you 2 PM if it is 12 hours format. If it is 24 hours format, that will give you 14. Correct? So if you don't have AM or PM, that means it is 24 hours format. Okay, this is 24 hours format. I want to see AM or PM. That means 12 hours format. Okay. Now tell me. Hours, minutes, seconds, AM or PM. Now can you tell me which option I have to use? Hours, minutes, seconds, AM or PM.
Hours, minutes, seconds.
I'm the fourth option.
Now tell me.
Fourth option.
Fourth option?
Yeah.
HH. If it is single H, it will give you just one. HH means 0. AM or PM with including seconds. Now it will give you 9:21:36 PM. That night 9. Okay. Only hours, minutes, AM or PM.
Only hours or minutes.
Yeah. Hours and minutes.
Ma'am, second one.
Hours, minutes. Actually, it's HH, right? 0, 1 should be there, but yeah, but let me remove that there. Say okay. Now you can see this is just a H here. We don't have HH, but you can give your own. I'll tell you that later. Okay. Next, percentage format default it is showing me 3 decimal numbers, but I want to change to 2. You can't do any other changes apart from the changing the decimals. Text format. Okay. Suppose you have some numbers, okay? These
Mm.
numbers assume like employee IDs. That employee IDs I want to see like this. Means the employee ID should be 9-digit number.
Okay.
Okay, 9-digit number. But here it is showing only 6-digit. Before that we have to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. But once the moment you press enter, it won't keep that first 3 zeros. So that's why what you have to do, convert that cells into a first text format. Text. Now add the number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say enter.
Mm.
Okay. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some zeros, some number.
Mm.
If you convert into text, then it will take that first zeros. And coming to this, we are trying to get some of these numbers, but
Yeah.
it is giving me 0. Why? Because these are not numbers. It is stored in number stored as text. So to get that number sum, you need to convert to number. Then you will get the sum. Okay. Next, special format. Coming to special format, click on special. Zip code is the default format. You have to change to zip code +4. Select that, say okay. It will give you phone number like this. Phone number format. Special, click on phone number. You can see like this. Social security number format. Special. Just readability will be easy. So that if you have all 10 numbers at a time, it is difficult to read the numbers whether it is right or not. But if you have
Yes,
like,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah.
Any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go to custom format. Custom format is nothing but you can create your own format. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
In custom formatting, let's go to custom. Here, date and time related already I kept all the examples. You have to practice it. I'll tell you how this works. Y means in date, Y indicates what? Year. Suppose I'm keeping in this, go to custom option. I'll just type YY. What is YY? Year. How many Y's I typed? 2. So in that date, it will take only year, that to 2-digit year. So you will see only 25. 2-digit year. Coming to this example. Custom, I am giving 4 Y's. 3 Y's and 4 Y's also will give you 4 only. 2025. Now tell me, M indicates month only. But if it is a single digit month, then it will add 1 0 extra. 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 like. Triple M. Jan to December, first 3 digits. Yeah. 4 M's. January to December, full month name. 5 M's will give you J to D. January, J, February, F like that. But usually we don't use this option. D will give you 1 to 31 any number. DD 0102 like that up to 31. Triple D Sunday to Saturday first 3 characters. 4 D's full name. Hours will give you from 0 hours to 23 hours. HH hours only, but it will add zeros extra. M indicates minutes. S indicates seconds. AM or PM, you know, the TT 12 hours or 24 hours format. Okay, that is how it works. So that is this date and time related. Okay, yeah, date and time related options. So now I'll add one example here. I have a date, and here also I have a date. I want to see Feb dash 2025. Then Feb dash 2025 I want to see. How to convert this date thing? Feb means how many M's? Feb. 3 M's. 2 M's will give you 0 2. Feb means 3 M's. Then dash and 2025. 4 Y's. Now go to control 1. Custom. Here type 1 2 3 M's dash 1 2 3 4 Y's. Say okay. Okay. Suppose I want to see here 23 Sunday, right? Sun dash 02 dash 2025. Can you tell me how to get this? Triple D.
So DDD and then MM YYYY.
Exactly. So go to custom DDD dash MM dash 1 2 3 4 Y's. So it will convert. Do you want to see dot instead of dash? Just give dot here. That depends on your requirement. You can type your own format. It will, but actual value is still today's date only. Okay. Any
Yes, ma'am.
questions in date and time options? No, right? Okay.
No.
Can I take one for time also?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose I have 15 hours, nothing but afternoon 3 o'clock. Some 23 minutes and 34 seconds. So the time will be 3:23 p.m. Here I want to see this in HH, 15 colon 23 colon 34. This is how I want to see, how to change. And then AM or PM also. This is PM, right? So PM I want to see. Tell me. This should be 3 then. AM or PM means, right? Hours. Do you want to see hours? H.
Yeah.
Then minutes. Then even you want to see seconds also. Then AM or PM. AM or PM. Okay, how do you want to see? Just give that. Just hours you want to see. I want to see only hours, AM or PM. Then give only H, AM or PM. Say okay. 3 PM. Okay. Next one. Here you have so many other examples related to decimals. Suppose I'll take this example. You have to try, okay? Already I typed what you have to give the setting. In this header, whatever you have, that format if you would give, just to check how this is changed. Okay? So I am writing just a 0 in the custom. Can you tell me what is just a 0? That number I want to see in single digit format, single digit. Oh, but here you have 0.5, right? 0.5, if you are converting into single digit, how it will change? 1, correct? Why 1? Because after decimal, the value is greater. If it is greater than or equal to 5, it will add automatically to 1. And 5 will show you like 5 only. 5.5. 5.5. Single digit. It's nothing but rounding to 0, right?
Yeah, so it will show 6.
Correct, 6. Okay, 5.55.
That also will be 6 only, ma'am.
That is also 6 only, exactly. Say okay.
Yeah.
See, actual value is 5.5. 5.5. Okay. Now tell me here. I'm giving 0.0. 0.0. Now, what is the first value? 0.5 value is what?
0.5.
0.5 only, because already I gave the formatting 0.0 format I want to see. I'm not rounding it, right? 0.0,
Yeah.
0.5. And 5 will show you like
5.0.
5.0. 5.5.
It will remain 5.5 only.
It will remain same 5.5 only. 5.55.
It will also remain the same, ma'am.
5.55.
Yeah.
After
Or
point again.
the last digit could change, because it is
Last digit will
5.5
add.
is okay, but the last it will change.
It will give you 5.6. To convert into 1 decimal, the second digit will add to 1, right? So the value will be 5.6. Okay. Coming to hash. Hash also just like a number only. Wherever you want to give number, there you can use 0 or hash. You can write hash symbol so that it will 0. 0 symbol also single digit and hash symbol also for single digit. But what is the difference? I'm giving hash point 0. Okay. Hash point 0 and 0.0 both are same, right? But coming to say, okay, wherever you have value, there it will show you that number. If it is not a number, 0.5 means before point, there is no value, right? Then it will show you like just a point without any number. 0.5, that's it. If it is a hash. If you have a number, then it will show you. If there is no number, then it will not show you. That is the difference between hash and 0. Okay. So same like that, just try to do remaining examples also. And these are related to thousand separators, thousands and millions. Suppose I have 5,000 value. Okay. I'm converting this into a case, means 5K like that. 0.00 slash K. Okay. See 5K. Why 0.00? Because I kept after point this value. Okay. After point, I gave 2 decimal number. You don't want decimals, then give 0 comma K so that it will give you 5K. Same like that millions. Okay. Increase or decrease option I told you yesterday. For positive number, we are giving okay. So in this format, You have three values, positive value, negative value, and zeros. So we are writing increase. Whatever you keep in double quote, that it will show you just like a normal text. Okay. Hash 0.00 colon. Okay, let me show you the syntax first. Positive semicolon, negative semicolon, 0. This is the syntax. Okay. So instead of positive number, I want to give 0.00. Suppose semicolon, negative number, I want to give minus 0.00. And 0, I want to show it like 0 only. Then how this will look like now? I'm unmerging it. I'm unmerging it. First see here. Control 1. Did I copy that? 0.00 instead of positive number. Negative number minus 0.00 and 0 plus 0 1. Say okay. Now if you see 20 is showing like 20.00, minus 20 is showing like minus 20.00, 0 is same 0. Okay. Okay. Now here what I am doing, custom. I'll say green. Colors you have to keep it in square bracket. I'll say 0.00 semicolon red minus 0.00 semicolon 0. Now what I'm trying to do? I'm changing the colors. Say okay. For positive numbers, it will give you green, negative red, the 0, it's not doing anything. Okay, last one. Here, I'll do in double quote, I'm giving, increase. I'm adding a text. For what? Positive number, semicolon. And second one is negative, right? So word should be decrease. Minus 0.00 semicolon 0. Now what it will do now? Wherever you have positive, there it will show you increase, and if you have a negative value, then it will show you decrease. Even I want to add increase and one color also green. Add text increase as well as green color for positive. And decrease and red color also I'm adding. Now say okay. Now increase with green color, decrease with negative number, like that it will. But if you see the value, just it is 20. You can do some of these numbers, even though it is looking like a text. Look wise it will change, but actual value still remains same. Okay. Next one. I want to see this number in 6-digit format. How to change that? Give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. So this value will show you like 6-digit format. Okay. And these are related to percentage options, fraction options. Okay. Negative numbers in parentheses. Display zeros as dashes or blanks. Color, font color changes. Just now I showed you font color changes. Repeat characters. That character I want to repeat. Apply formats based on the conditions. If the value is less than 10, then red color, greater than or equal to 10, green color. Some conditions. So like this, you have so many examples to create your own format. Just go to that particular value and try to apply this format. Try to apply this format. Already, which format you have to apply, that already available here. Just to see how it is changed. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
No, clear? Okay.
No. Ma'am, we were using the control 1 to access that.
Control 1, yes.
Okay, so but first we need to select the cells and then control 1. and select the
Exact.
format.
Correct.
Okay.
Already available formats, if you want to apply, you can apply. But there everything won't be available. You can create your own format in the custom.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I go for next options?
Yes.
Can I take some more time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall we finish format, paste the special options? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Sure.
Okay. I'll complete this clipboard option, okay?
Okay.
So coming to clipboard, you are going to learn cut, copy, paste the special options. You know what is cut and copy. This is same in all the applications, right? Cut will work like, what is cut? It will take the original object from the source, and when you are pasting it, see, I'll take this number 10. Control X is the shortcut key. Paste here. It is taking that entire object and you are able to paste it. But when it comes to copy, it will create a duplicate copy of it. Okay?
Yeah.
And copy as picture. Copy as picture, how to use? Select the cells and go here. Click on copy as picture. Say okay. And when you are pasting it, it will paste like a picture. Where we will use this? Sometimes, sometimes, you know, you will create some tables in Excel. And that table screenshot you have to take and paste it in Outlook email. Correct? We will.
Yeah. 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 So the table screenshot we need to take and paste it in Outlook. Yeah.
Correct. We'll take the screenshots, right? But
Yeah.
even you have snipping tool option also to take the screenshot. Why we have to use this option only? I'll tell you, see. Suppose I want to take screenshot from here to till here. Is
Yeah.
it possible to take screenshot to this entire at a time?
Screenshot.
Huh. How screenshot will work? Only whatever is available in this window, if you say now, you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
select only up to here. You can't
Correct.
select the down one, right? Yes
Yes.
or
Yes.
no?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
what I'm saying, you select this till here, wherever I'm selecting till here. Now, click on copy as picture. Say okay. Now, paste it somewhere. It will paste everything like a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, got it now? Copy as picture. Or copy normally only. I'm doing normal copy. And when you are pasting it, you have a option like paste picture option. Paste as picture. In paste special option, you have paste as picture option. Hmm? Normal paste. Normal paste will paste like a data. It will, normal paste you can do. But what it will do, you know, that objects will move from one place to another place. Exact formatting won't be coming when you are pasting it in the Outlook. The table formatting, everything will change. So, you know, sometimes we'll take the screenshots and only pick like a picture, we will paste the data. Okay. So clear, right? What is this picture option? So now we'll
Yes.
see what is paste special.
Yeah.
If you want to use paste, either you can do cut or copy to use the paste option, correct? After cut or after copy, we can use that paste option. But if you want to use paste special option, you have to copy the data. If you use cut option, paste special won't work. Okay? I'll say suppose Control X, cut. Cut I'm doing, cut. Now go to paste special options. All are disabled. And even you do right click, paste special is disabled. Only normal paste is available. Okay. But if you do copy, I'm just doing copy, normal copy. And you can see all the paste special options. And even when you are doing right click also, you can see all the paste special options. Okay. This is the paste special dialog box. Default paste everything all is nothing but it works just like a normal paste option. Okay. Only paste formulas, paste only values, only formatting, comments, validation like this. You can paste one of the property from the source. See, let's move to left side. Some description also available. What is the use of that? Just go through this later. Okay. Now here we have a formula, right? What is that formula? Sum of the above values. I'm doing normal copy and paste it here. Yeah, I want to paste formula. If I'm doing paste, I'm getting the formula as well as the formatting both. But I don't want to get the formatting. Just I want to get the formula. Now copy this. Go to paste special. Control Alt V is the shortcut. Control V for paste, right? Control Alt V for paste special. So here you need to choose formulas option. Say okay. Now you will get only formula, but not the formatting. It's not giving that red color, yellow color all. Okay, because from the source you are just pasting formula. Okay. Why after cut it is not working? Cut means you are taking entire object. So when you are pasting it, you have to paste everything. Copy means already you have the original object. From the copied cells, you can paste one of the property. One of the property means only formula, only value, only conditional formatting, only validation like. Okay. Next one. Values. Copy. If you do normal paste, pasting everything, right? You have comments, you have formatting everything. Say Control Z, copy, Control Alt V, click on values. Say okay. You're getting just the value. And here I have 60. Copy and do the paste. You're getting everything, formula, formatting, everything. So here you don't have any values, so you're getting 0. But I want to get just 60. Control Alt V, click on values, say okay. You'll get that 60. Okay. Next. Formats I want to paste. So here already we have some formatting, some background color, font color. Copy this, go here, Control Alt V, click on formats. The same formatting you will get from here to here. Okay. Next one. In this, you have a number with euro symbol. The same number formatting I want to apply here also. Copy, go here, Control Alt V, formats. Say okay. The same formatting it will apply here. Okay. Next. Comments. Okay. Here we have a comment, right? For Excelytics. What is the comment? Excelytics is a data analytics coaching institute. It provides some Excel, VB, SQL, Power BI. It is MOS authorized center. So the same comment I want to apply here also. So instead of inserting comment, typing everything one more time, just copy here and Control Alt V, choose comments option, say okay. Now you got the same comment from there. Which one? Comments, I'll tell you. Comments, I'll tell you. Right click, you need to go to new comment, new note actually, new note, and you can type that. That is normally by entering. So now here, validation. So we have a marks column. Default Excel, even though it is a marks column, it will accept any kind of data. I'm entering Excel, it is accepting. I'm entering some 120. Should not accept all that, right? Marks means what? Any value between 0 to 100. Okay. Already I kept that conditions in this cells. See, if you are trying to enter Excel, it is showing invalid marks. Please enter valid marks between 0 to 100. Already I gave conditions here. The same conditions I want to apply in this range also. Copy, go to destination, Control Alt V, validation. Okay. Now try to enter text, it will not accept. And enter more than 100, will not. Okay. Next. All except borders. Everything I want to paste, but not borders. Control Alt V, all except borders. Say okay. Okay. Only column widths I want to paste. Do copy and paste the values. Okay. If you paste the values, the column width is decreased here, right? Why? Because that is what will happen. But here the project name column width is lengthy. That complete width you are not getting here. So if you want to get the same column width from here to here, go to Control Alt V, click on column width option. Okay. Say okay. Now the same column width it will take from the source. You know, when you are preparing some invoice, tax invoice, or some templates, or some reports, you have to maintain the same column width in every report. So you will create one time, you will copy that formatting from the first report and you will apply the same in different report. No need to take more time to create the report again and again. Okay. Next one. Formulas and number formatting. Here I have a sum formula, but even I applied number formatting also. So if you do normal paste, what will happen? It will paste everything. Correct? But coming to here, I'll paste only formula here. Control Alt V, click on form. Where is that? Formulas. Now what are you getting? You are getting just the formula, but not the number formatting. But here, say Control Alt V, formulas and number formatting. Say okay, you will get that formula as well as the number formatting. Okay. Next, values and number formatting. Copy and paste on normal paste. What it is pasting? Formula, number formatting, everything. But what do you want to paste? Do you want to paste the formula? No, just the value. So Control Alt V, copy, Control Alt V, only values. Now what are you getting? Just 60. Okay. But here Control Alt V, values and number format both. So you will get that value with number format. Okay. Next one. That's about that. The first options. Till here. Now coming to operation. In operation, default operation is none. And you have Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's see what is that. In add, assume like we have a sales data and I have YTD data. YTD means what? Year to date. Assume like you are in, this is till November 2024. Assume like that. Now I have December sales data. Okay, December 2024. Now what will be the YTD? November data plus December data, both will be YTD data.
Yes.
What is YTD? Year to date. Year to date means from January to till today, what is the total sales? Already we have year to date value till November. Now I got December sales data. Then what will be the updated data? You need to do the sum of these two columns. Correct? So for that, what you have to do? Equal to 840 plus 74 equal to 561 plus 67, like that. One by one, record wise, you need to do the copy. I mean, sum. And then copy this value and paste it here. Correct? Now this is your YTD data till December. But instead of doing all this, I'm not creating any new column. Okay, 840. Copy these values and go to destination. Control Alt V. Click on add. Add. So this 840 will add to 74 and you will get the result here. 561 plus 67. Just say okay. It will add record by record and the sum also will get at the same place. Okay. Suppose 100 everywhere you want to add. Okay. So suppose I have a value 100. Copy this. Select the destination. Control Alt V. Copy. Select the destination. Control Alt V. Say add. That 100 will add to all them. Okay. Same. Subtract also. You want to deduct. Remaining target is this. Now I got sales data. Now what will be the remaining target? That previous target minus January already completed. So 840 minus 74 will be the remaining target. So Control Alt V. Click on subtract. Say okay. Now it will deduct. Target I want to reduce. 100 I want to reduce the target. Then copy this. Control Alt V. So click on subtract. 100 it will deduct from all the values. Okay. Next, multiply. You have a price and items. What is each item cost is 18 rupees and we have total 6 items. Then what is the total price? 6 into 18. Correct? Next record 96 into 4. Row by row you need to multiply, right? Then here copy, go to destination, Control Alt V, multiply, say okay. It will multiply and get the result. Okay. And even to remove the hyperlink also, we'll use this multiply option. With hyperlink, if you multiply with any number, then it will remove the hyperlink. So copy this number, go to destination, Control Alt V, click on multiply, say okay. It will show you like this. With the number, if you multiply any hyperlink, then it will remove the hyperlink. Okay. Sorry. What did you ask? You want to link. Just do a right click. You need to go for link option and there I'll tell you all these link options. Existing file, link I want to give. You need to paste that path and say okay. When you click on that, it will open that file. I'll show you that. Coming to percentage, this is 38%, right? 38% is not 38%. If you say 38, click on percentage format, it is giving 3800%, right? But to get exactly 38%, you need to divide that with 100. So copy this 100, select the destination, Control Alt V, divide, say okay. Now you will get 3892, all that. Convert into percentage format. So you will. Okay. Any questions here? Second one.
No.
In operation is clear, right?
Yes.
Next. Skip blanks and transpose. Skip blanks. Okay. First transpose. You have data vertically. Control Alt V. Click on transpose. It will give you horizontal. Okay. Suppose you have data horizontally. Copy. Control Alt V. Transpose. It will give you vertically. If you don't have this option, you have to type it manually. It's very, very difficult. But you have a transpose option so that you can convert vertical to horizontal. Next one. Skip blanks option. So we have sales data. Here 15 is the sales, but I came to know it is not 15, it is 79. Okay. And the name to value did not change, it is old value only. And again, name 3, name 4 values changed. It is not 47, 55, it is 62, 65. Okay. But when you do copy and paste here, it will paste everything. It is replacing that name 2 also. Correct? But do you want to paste in name 2? Yeah, you people are not here. Listen. See, here I have old sales data. There is an update. It is not 15, it is 79. There is no change for NM2. It is not 47 and 55, it is 62 and 65. Like this, some values changed, some did not change. But if you do copy and update the values, paste it here, it is replacing everything. But what do you want to paste? Only if you have a updated value, then paste it. Otherwise, keep the old value. So if you want to do that, Control Alt V, click on skip blanks option. So when it is pasting, it will paste only the value. If you have any blank cells, it will skip that. So here blank cell is there. It is not pasting. So you have the old value. Here blank cell 94 only. It is blank cell 70. Only updated value it is pasted. Okay. Next. Paste link. Copy this. Control Alt V. Click on paste link. It will give you the link. See B145. If I change this to names, it will reflect here. If you change this to mark, it will reflect here. 90, I'm changing to 95. It is just a link to that cell. If you do any modification here, that will reflect here. Okay, that's about it. Any questions so far?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. So, okay, I'll stop it here. Okay, we'll continue on 1st March. Coming
1st March
Saturday.
again, it's coming Saturday, right? Okay.
Yeah, coming Saturday, same time, 9 to 12.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
We'll see if any person will add. Otherwise, we'll continue with the same count. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now
Okay.
today I explained you about this number formatting. This is important. And paste the special option. Just practice this. And yesterday's demo session also just go with the differences between each version. I'll ask in the next week. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, you can leave for today. I'll continue on coming weekend. And this file I'll upload in the drive. Just download from the drive. And you will have this YouTube link also. You'll have access for it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
If you
much.
have time, you can spend some time on Sunday.
Yes. Sure.
Okay. Great. Thanks, everyone. You can leave. Which one? Link? YouTube link? They'll send. Yesterday you did not receive. No. They sent, right? You are not in the group. Okay. Ask them to add. You will have. Yours is B658, right? They'll add you in B658. Cool. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Zakir and Ramya, any questions from your side?
Hello.
Okay, we'll continue on coming Saturday, okay? Same time, 9 to 12. Now today we have less count, so I stopped it here, but anyways, we'll continue from coming Saturday.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ramya.